Hey guys! Today we decided to finally check out a selfie studio here in Cheonan, South Korea.
So if you want to watch that, keep watching. So they actually have a bunch of props over here. You can use as many as you want. There's hats, there's sunglasses, there's everything you want, and you dress up in your photo. We have photo booths like this in the States, but it's not a whole building. It's one little corner and like an arcade, and then that's it. There's no props, there's nothing. It's not very common to like share hairbrushes and share hats in the States because people have head lice. I'm not sure if that's a thing here, but they seem to not care, so I guess I won't either. So David has to run and go get cash, so I'm gonna stay here and fuck around. Repping my Marion, Ohio gear. Popcorn represent. David, I love you. I really wanna let you know. The more I think about, the more I want to let you know that everything you do is super fucking cute, but I can't stand it.
An avocado. Thanks. Alright, I went and got some cash so we can pay for these photos, and we got our desired headpieces of choice, so I think we're ready to get some pics taken.
Let's go! Hit the screen, I think. Shows it hitting. Oh, okay.
Okay, so
Cash?
cash. We'll do just 2 or 4? We'll do 4?
No, let's do 2.
Just 2? I need 10.
No, just 2.
I will do 2. I'm gonna assume that means we're good.
But little did David know that he was not good. In fact, he was not good at all. It was at this very moment that he had put $10 into a machine that only costed $4, not knowing, however, that this machine did not have a change machine. He had fucked up brutally, hell, drastically, nay, impossibly. But here we are, $6 short and nothing to show for it. Damn you, machine. Damn you to hell.
Really?
I don't know.
Okay, and now, here, let me get on your back. Ready?
Yep.
3 hours later.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Aww.
Which one do you like?
Like the first or the second one?
This one's no filter, I think.
Yeah.
And then,
That one's just like lighter,
Yeah.
I think.
and then,
Oh, so you can change the colors. Okay. Not gonna lie.
the white, the pink, or the blue.
Let's go white, because we already have a pink background,
kinda
and the white's kind of
aesthetic.
classic.
Yeah.
Alright.
Grab?
Yeah. Alright, awesome. Let's take a look at them.
So there's a timer, but also you can hit this really cool buttons when you're ready, when you're in a good pose. So that's really helpful when you're in a weird pose and you can just hit the button. That definitely, we do not have this in the States. And just a reminder, happy Pride Month! Alright guys, we finally finished. That was so much fun. I'm really impressed by the quality of the lighting and the camera. We look absolutely fucking amazing. Definitely recommend if you're in Korea or literally anywhere in Korea, there's one every 5 steps. So I definitely recommend going to check one out. They're really fun.
So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to go down and drop us a like so we can make more content like this for you guys. And also sub while you're down there and turn on the notifications so you can see more videos like this.
And until next time, head 1